has a really serious modeling engine. You can write essentially any code and make any sort of projection you can possibly think of, and that clearly is important. But frankly, none of that matters unless you can get the answers out and move them to the decision makers. So what is especially interesting for me is that it has a really clever collaboration modality associated with it. So first, down in the engine, multiple analysts can be working in the same model at the same time with a changelog record. That's pretty good stuff. Who changed what, when, and why, I would think is something that people ought to know. All the way down kind of in the engine room, if you will. But eventually, the model's perfect and people are making assumptions and people are checking out the answers. You need to be able to get the CFO to understand what those are. And the CFO needs to be able to have a different set of assumptions and be able to drive that analysis and make decisions on that basis. And the CFO has an audience, of course. It may be a finance committee or a board of directors where you need to elevate it even further. White Birch has this presentation mode that allows you to kind of look into the model, extract information from the model, but more importantly, change the assumptions attendant to the model, and then see the live update of that answer. That is remarkable.